Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and I'm sharing another Michael Kors wallet for you guys today. And this is uh, this wallet right here, and I had actually got this from Dillard's. A pretty it's called slate. The color is called slate, and it has silver hardware. Really cute. So real simple. And the zip, oh my god, the zip is the best part. The zip is so smooth, real smooth. So let me share what I have. The tags, like it, you can see it is still, I haven't like removed anything yet. All the things are still intact. And like this one has the print inside. Let me show you the print, the way it looks inside. This is just the care card. It has YUM-K, see that? Circle and then YUM-K inside it. With like chain, yeah, like that. That's how it looks. And this is a retail bag. So that's why I'm very confused with YUM-K. I have no idea from now on. I can just share with you guys where I bought it from. So you guys can decide what it is. But this one retailed, okay, I don't have that part because I think that had the what is that discount tag there that I removed. And so I don't know how much. I didn't get my phone here. I wanted to look and see how much it retailed for. Maybe I'll put it in the description box. It's called the Jet Set Travel in color Continental. Okay, it's ZA. I don't know what is ZA. Continental Genuine Leather. So that's what it says. So and the code 32T3S TVE3L, that is the code on this. And so I will put in the description box. I'll Google and see how much this retails for, this exact one. But it's really nice. And it feels, it's not pebble leather, so I'm guessing it's Saffiano leather, but it's not very hard, so I like that. Because if you have those like kind of that canvas ones, like not canvas, they're actually leather, but they have this MK monogram and all that, they feel much more I feel like much more like hard when you touch like this. They're not as like soft like this, but this doesn't feel that hard. It feels like good. But it is Saffiano leather and really nice. And I thought like this will go along with actually my light color handbags. Like if I want to put this in my white purse or like those, it doesn't go with all the browns and blacks I have, I guess. I don't know, maybe with the black you can use a gray. So it's just simple. It has, the card slots here, just a typical wallet with the I guess this is the coin to keep the coins, but which I never do. I always keep my I keep like mostly cash in here sometimes, or I keep in these kind of pockets. I don't think cash will fit here. Yeah, cash doesn't fit here, but I usually keep my bank cards and debit cards and stuff like that in here. And my license, like important stuff, I keep in between, like in the middle here, like in all wallets. And then on the sides I always put the credit card. So the credit card slots this side, and then there is like this slot here, like an big slot there and big slot there. So it is very much exactly same as the wallet that I always use, that is from Kenneth Cole, and that is my favorite wallet. It's been there for years with me. So, and nothing has happened to it. It still works good, and I can fill so much in it. I don't think even in this I'll be able to fill as much as that one. Like even though I put so many receipts in it, like with the cards, I can still zip it completely closed. So that's why I love that. So I always tend to use that more nowadays. And when I need a small one, I'm using my Fossil one. And I've kind of removed another pink Fossil and another, I had already showed you guys all that in the hauls, and a black Michael Kors small wallet that I have. So I have them kind of like, trying to use them and see how they work. But Yeah, but my Kenneth Cole one that you guys have seen, always I show you guys, is my favorite one. And I kind of am emotionally attached to it. So this one, I thought like maybe I can start switching to this. So I don't know, I'm still thinking. So but it's really nice leather, nice everything, but it's just that it doesn't go well with all my purses, but it's really pretty. Also hold it like that, and walk around. It looks cute, right? It's going with my outfit actually today. So I like it. If I hold it like this, yeah, it looks nice. So cute. Again, this was the Jet Set Travel Continental in the color slate. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Love you all. Bye, guys.